So in this video I'm going to be showing you my favourite green smoothies. Now I thought I knew a lot about green drinks, and then I heard about green smoothies, well, the 10-day green smoothie challenge. So I've been doing that for a few weeks and noticed that it is fantastic. So I'm going to show you my favourite recipe, which is just a bit of cos, a bit of English spinach, and just quickly rinse those. And then just throw them into the blender. I'm only just roughly breaking them up, make the blender's job a little bit easier. Then I've got some strawberries, they're in season at the moment, and I bought a couple of kilos of them, just lopped off the green parts, which are probably, maybe I should have left them in. And then I froze them, and they have frozen beautifully. So I throw that into my smoothie as well. Some people will tell you not to blend fruits and greens at the same time, and generally I try to stick by that. But if this means that I get more greens into me, then this is what I'm going to do. And I know a lot of people are having success with their kids, with getting them to drink more of their smoothies as well by doing this. So then I just get some filtered water, throw that in here, and if I wanted to be extra healthy, then I could throw my Udos oil in there. I normally do that after it's actually made. And then I've got some of my health powders that I like to throw in there as well. This isn't necessary, it's just a little extra that I like to do. And it's a lot easier drinking it all in one drink than it is to be having all of those things separately. So now I've lost the lid. Okay, now you can see that's actually made just under 700 ml, which is about 2 large glasses. And I had put in 1 glass of water plus 2 lettuce leaves, a handful of English spinach, 1 banana, and a couple of strawberries. And this is my green drink. It's going to be a little bit chewy because of all of that lettuce, but hey, it's a great way to get the greens into you. Yep, chewy, but good.